there, it's Julia here from violinspiration.com, and today I'm going to talk about the 2 only ingredients you need to master the violin. I think when it comes down to the basics, there's only 2 things you really need to be able to do in order to master the violin. And the first one is patience. Why is patience so important? Patience is so important because the violin is an instrument you can only learn if you are in it for the long run. In the first few years of learning the violin, it doesn't sound very good at all, and you might have noticed that already. And it takes a lot of patience in order to keep learning and keep practicing during the time that you are not sounding good. And you have to trust that the results will come after a few years. The other ingredient I think you really need in order to learn the violin is consistency. You have to be able to have a consistent habit of practicing the violin. That is of course super important because without a consistent practice habit, you won't learn the violin, no matter how talented you are. I have seen really talented students of mine that don't play as well as less talented students just because they don't have the motivation or the willpower to practice every single day. So there's just 2 ingredients you need. One is patience, one is consistency. And I would love to hear with which ingredient do you struggle the most, because I would love to help you in other videos. But always remember that these 2 things are the basics of learning the violin. And if you feel like you're struggling in one of these areas, always remind yourself to be patient and to just keep practicing a little bit every single day, and you will see results after a few years.